Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you're doing well. In today's session, we will talk about the difference between inductive and deductive reasoning. As you, as a researcher, are familiar about these two concepts, one is top-down approach, which follows the background, the context, and the other one is bottom-up approach, which follows definitions, which follows formulas, which follows some kind of hard facts, and then we draw some kind of conclusion or premises. So we will see how these two different ideas or concepts are different from each other. What are the basic differences in both these terminologies? The process of thinking about something in a rational manner as to draw valid conclusion is known as reasoning. So reasoning is something that we utilize in order to draw some kind of conclusion for our daily affairs related to research. So it is a daily activity that we use to make decisions which involves construction of thoughts and converting them into a proposition to give reason on why we have opted for a particular alternative over the other. So it provides us the kind of sound basis, the logics, and some of the background info about whatever we would select or opt in our process of research or in our daily affair. Reasoning is also extremely significant. So, reasoning or logic, as both are synonymous, can take two forms: inductive reasoning or deductive reasoning. The inductive reasoning follows a particular flow or behavior to make some kind of inferences or some kind of conclusion. Conversely, deductive reasoning uses available information, facts, or premises to arrive at a conclusion, or we can come to that particular conclusion. These two logics are exactly opposite to each other, and then they allow us or help us to reach to uh, some kind of conclusion or premises or conjecture that we draw from the available data. So both these types of reasonings or logics, they are juxtaposed or opposite to each other as far as the process of information extraction is concerned. So in this article, we are going to see that how these two help us to understand the process or the pattern of research which we utilize. So first of all, you are going to see that introduction, definition, and then there will be comparison chart and key differences of each other, and then conclusion would follow. So inductive reasoning alludes to the logical process which specific instances or situations are observed. So where we observe some situation and we analyze some kind of general principles as a result of those particular situations or data that we are provided with. So we can say that from specific to general, this would lead, and in this process, the multiple propositions are believed to provide strong evidence for the truth of the conclusion. So we have the evidence as a result, and we have a truth, and on the basis of truth, we could draw some kind of conclusion. So this is used to develop an understanding on the basis of observing regularities and ascertain how these regularities work and how we could draw some kind of uh, concluding principles on the basis of the data that we are provided. So these are uncertain arguments that describe the extent to which the conclusion drawn on the basis of the premises are credible. So, on the basis of some uncertain argument, we are able to draw some kind of conclusion. We could be able to see that how inductive reasoning in this particular type of thinking, there are certain possibilities that conclusion drawn could be false, it could be null hypothesis, even if all the assumptions are true. The reasoning rests on the experiences and observation that support the apparent truth of both conclusion. Further, the argument can be strong or weak if only describes the likelihood of the inference to be true. So, inferences could be seen to be true from specific to general. Our information could lead us to draw some kind of principle, some kind of argument, some kind of facts, and we could draw some kind of rules out of that particular situation, or that particular type of experimentation we have conducted. So, deductive reasoning, on the other hand, is a reasoning that means a form or the logic where specific inferences are drawn from multiple premises, general statement. So, in a way, this would be from uh, general statements are given, and on the basis of that, those general statement, from general to specific we will move, whereas in inductive reasoning we move from specific to general. So it establishes the relationship between the propositions and conclusion, where all the proposed statements are true, and then the rules of deduction are applied in order to obtain the results which could always, or which could inevitably be true as well. So, deductive reasoning is based on fundamental law of reasoning. If X, then Y, it implies the direct application of available information or facts to come up with the new information or the facts. So, in this, the researcher takes into account a theory and generates a hypothesis which can be tested after the observation are recorded, which leads to a particular data, which is nothing but the confirmation of validity. So, on the basis of those uh, inferences or those conclusion or the results, we could draw some kind of valid arguments. A theory could be developed likewise. So here the kind of comparison is there, and on the basis of this comparison, first we'll see the meaning, how meaning is extracted if in inductive reasoning connects to the argument, where the premise give reasons in support of the probable truth of conjecture. So we have that kind of probability of truth from the situation that we are provided, or the kind of possible assumption that we have drawn. On the other hand, deductive reasoning is fundamental form of reasoning wherein the premise give guarantee of the truth of conjecture. So over there, we can have some kind of guarantee related to the truth, but in inductive reasoning, there is the kind of probability or possibility of the truth. Bottom up approach is applied in inductive, top down approach is applied in deductive. Conclusions are drawn from inductive, whereas premises or propositions are drawn from deductive reasoning, which could lead us to further argument or development of that particular theory. Pattern or trends are observed, facts, truths, and rules are observed in deductive reasoning, whereas pattern or trends are seen in inductive reasoning. Similarly, observation, pattern, tentative hypothesis, or theory, this particular pattern is followed as a process in inductive reasoning, whereas theory, hypothesis, observation, and confirmation. So, in a way, inductive reasoning could be utilized in uh, quantitative paradigms or the research where quantitative paradigm or approach is utilized, whereas deductive reasoning could be applied easily in the researches where qualitative paradigm or qualitative research is applied. So variables are observed in inductive reasoning, concepts are observed in deductive reasoning. So the kind of conclusion that is drawn, or the argument that may or may not be strong or may not be valid, in both cases goes from specific to general and goes from general to specific. So inductive goes from specific to general, whereas deductive goes from general to specific. So inferences or conclusion arguments, they are probable in inductive reasoning, and they are certain in deductive reasoning. So the key differences, we have seen that how they both differ from each other. The argument, the premises give reason in support. The probable truth of conjecture in is inductive reasoning. The elementary form of valid reasoning, where the proposition provide the guarantee of the truth, in the form of conjecture or in the form of research conclusion that we have drawn, and the process which allows us to understand the whole theoretical process is in a way related to this type of reasoning, where sufficient truth are not available. So some kind of certainty is established on the basis of experience. So similar other facts we have already seen in the differences between inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning, where pattern is inductive and deductive reasoning depends upon the facts and the ideas that are available before us. So these are the key differences. To sum up, the inductive and deductive reasoning are two types of reasoning which are used in the field of research to develop hypotheses so as to arrive at a conclusion on the basis of information which is believed to be true. Inductive reasoning considers events for making the generalization, such as experimentation, such as surveys, such as the pre-test and the post-test, such like situation. In contrast, deductive reasoning takes general statement as a base to arrive at a particular conclusion. So, in the form of literary studies, we could easily utilize deductive reasoning as a source of reasoning or as a development of the argument. So these are the key differences between inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. Thank you for your patience and for your listening. So if you have any question related to these ideas, you could ask them in the comment section below. Thank you and stay tuned and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.